Gay Chris! Gay Chris! Right, on a serious note. Right, on a serious note, there's my cooler cub bike. If anyone wants to buy it, they're £3 but I'm selling it. It's brand new, basically, done 1,000 miles. We'll call it £1,600 for 2 batteries or 1 battery. VWM. Health and safety issue. Oh. Right, this is the big one. Big boy, big boy. There we go. Work. Oh, no workers in today. Right, anyone wants, I shouldn't really be telling you this, but there's copper piping, wheelbarrows. Right, this is state kitchen, 36 grand. When it's finished. Neff, BOSCH, SMEG, you name it, we got it. Oh, right, just quick run around upstairs. Right, it's Captain Birdseye's here. Look at this view, amazing. Sea view. Sea view. Yeah, look, sea view. Look at the state of this carpet. Are you the cleaner?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this dude. He calls himself a Tyler. How much you want a day? Oh yeah, we're not allowed to talk in the revenue. Sorry about that. Hey! Proper skilled outfit. Not taking any notice about the way he looks. He is 79.
78 actually.
No, 78.
Yeah.
You're joking, aren't you?
No.
All right. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's definitely bigger. Chris. There he is, Mr. 78 bags. Oh, look at this. Hey, you don't want to leave this here at night without locking it up.
That's all locked up.
You really 78?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I thought you were joking. I thought you were about like 58. Oh, there you go. Proper skilled worker, he's 78, most are about 50, but here you go. Right. My wet room, boiler. Proper skill there, sparky. Yeah. There you go, bit of pressure. Yeah. No one come nicking in here. Oh, there's my wet room. All courtesy of Sam, of course. Right, thank you everyone. On the doors. Right, it's just a quick view of what £1.1 million house looks like. Thank you. Please like, subscribe if you want to see any more, and click notification. Enjoy your weekend.